Okay, we're in Word Skill 3.6 and we'll do 3.7 at the same time. They're both dealing with headers and footers. A header is basically something that prints at the top of your document. A footer is something that prints at the bottom of it, and it's generally on every page of your document, although you can specify not to print on the first page. And there's some other settings you can use to determine how your headers are printed, headers and footers are printed. The idea behind not printing on the first page is if you have a cover page, you don't want a header or a footer on that usually. I'll show you how that works too. But to add a header, here again on the Insert tab, we just go over to Header in the Header Footer section, click on that, and you can add a blank one. There's a number of different templates you can use here. Let's just go ahead and throw the alphabet one in there. Put it in there, and it's got this this placeholder here where you type the document name. So my document, would go in there, and this is going to print on every page. That's how we add a header. When I'm done, I can hit Close Header and Footer, and you can see it's in there. It doesn't affect the actual content as I type. It's just up in the top of the page. Your code word here, we're going to throw it out at you in the middle, is going to be Grace. Grace. To add a footer, again, it's the same way. We're on the Insert tab. Go to Footer. If you're going to add headers and footers and use these templates, I would recommend using the same one. So the header is the alphabet template. So the footer, let's do the same with alphabet. And here there's a placeholder to type text. You can put a tagline. I don't know, stuff I like. And then a page number is automatically applied here, and that'll update as I have more pages. Each footer will have the next page number on it. So that's header and footer. Again, I can close it here. Another thing you can do with the header and footer is just double click where it's at, and then you're automatically in there editing it. Right here in the design tab, the contextual tab, it comes up when you're already editing headers and footers. You can see different first page, different odd and even pages, show document text. So if I wanted a different header and footer on my first page, I could select that here, and you can see now my header and footer is gone. There's a first page header there. The other pages would have the header on it. If I want to have a different header and footer on odd and even pages, let's say I want the page number to be on the right side for the even pages and on the left side for the odd pages, I can do that too using that. So that's a pretty quick overview of headers and footers. And again, with those building blocks we learned in the last lesson, you can insert headers and footers that way too, and just have a much broader variety of options for headers and footers.